Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. And in this video, I'm not on the water apparently, but in this video, I want to show you how to fix your LCD screen if it happens to pop out, like mine did. Let me show you really quick. Okay, so I was out riding in the ocean and this guy just happened to pop out on me. For no apparent reason other than just riding. So there is a quick fix to that. You could just well, you could pop it back in like I did, and assuming that that would fix it, but it didn't, so it kept popping out. So there's got to be some latches in there that are just not latched. And I think that's what the issue is. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this up real quick. So hopefully if this happens you guys could use this video and fix it on your own. All right, so here we go. You can take off this small hood piece if you want to. You just need your T30. You're gonna take those two off of right there. For whatever reason, if you cannot get to this, if you've pushed it back in and you just can't pull it out, then you'll just need to take these two off. This comes right off, and then you'll just be able to push the screen right through. Okay, but in this case I'm going to be using one of these right here. So it's just a little plastic pry tool. So that's how I got it out a second ago. So we'll just go like this, and there it is. All right, so there's a couple of things that we're gonna do here. I'll show you here in just a second. Okay guys, so when we get this pulled out, there's a few clips that we want to take a look at. We got here on the side, there's a clip right here. Okay, and then there's another one here, another one here, and there's going to be another one right here. So those clips hold in this frame. So let's take those clips out first, and we'll start with the side one first. So here is the first clip that we're going to take out. I'm just going to use this to do that. Okay, they're pretty simple. This comes right off. Top one, see, it's right there, and the other one is right next to it, right here. So we just got to undo that. There we go. See, it's already getting loose. And then we'll do this one. There we go. And then we got this one on the side right here. There it is. Okay, so see how that came off, and then a little movement here at the bottom, a little movement there at the bottom, takes the bottom ones off automatically. And there we go. So we got the frame out, and that'll go right back on there. Okay, so we have the screen out, as you can see, and it's just connected back there by the wires to control the LCD. So if you were just to push this back in, you think it'd be fixed, but up in here there's like a clamp that is not latching to the screen, and down here as well too. So we got to get this in there to kind of push in on it and get that to clamp and get that to clamp. For some reason it just either wasn't clamped or it came unclamped. Don't know, but let's see if we can fix that. Hopefully you guys can see here, this piece right here, and there's one on the bottom, like they'll just set like right in there, and that's how it was setting. So what we're gonna need to do is this has to be pushed in, and you'll hear it click, or hear it pop, and same with the bottom one. So let's try that. There we go. You heard that pop. Okay, so we got the top one in. So you can see the clip at the bottom. There's a little bit of play there. So there we go. That was it. You hear that pop? That is in. All right. So to check it, we're gonna go around this side and just push in on the LCD screen. So I just removed the two bolts, which is the T30, and it just comes right off. Okay, not much light in there, but here we go. So you might be able to see, I got my hand on the LCD screen and I'm giving it a push, and that is back in there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna put the screen back on. So we have our two top brackets, if you will, one here, and then now we got them on the sides. And we'll just put the bottoms in first, and then the top ones will latch up. All right, let's put the frame back on, and then we'll just line everything up and put it back on. Here we go. There we go. I think we got it. Now, just to give it a quick check. That's not coming off. Another way to check it is just to come back here, push on that screen, pushing pretty good on it, and it's not coming out. Haha, right on. Action. Okay guys, simple fix. So if you did end up taking your cover off, we'll just put that back on real fast. Start like so. Bring it down. That's it. And then we'll get our bolts back on there using a T30, and we'll be all done. All right guys, well that's it. Pretty simple job, I suppose. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. As you know, it does help the channel grow. So if you ever have this issue, just let me know, and give me any other tips. If this has happened to you, let me know and put them down in the comment section down below. Thank you very much guys, and not on the water today, but next time I'll see you on the water.